Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and good day everyone. Today we would like to present our group video presentation for the course E3131 Advanced EM. So our topic for this presentation is about the EMC awareness in the residential area. In the beginning, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad and my team members are Mazin, Muhammad Al-Mursi. So the residential area household wireless appliance. In the last few years, the usage of the wireless technology for the household products has greatly increased, led by the applications such as smart meter, internet connection TVs, and Bluetooth to home theater system as well. In the coming years, it's almost certain that wireless technology will have a nearly ubiquitous presence in the household through the variety of the household appliances, toys, and other consumer products. Yet, with this technology comes an increased perception of the risk by the end user world, by concern about the cancer and other health effects, as well as concern about the potential interference with the life-saving products such as medical devices. Next, I will pass the presentation to Mazin to continue.
The EMI is electromagnetic interface. It's the distribution of operation of an electronic device when it is the velocity of an electromagnetic field, which is EM field. And also it will be used in the radio frequency, which is RF spectrum that is caused by another electronic device. An electromagnetic interface can vary in many ways and from several sources. The different type of EMI can be categorized in several ways, which are man-made EMI, natural occurring EMI, continuous interface, and impulse noise. For the man-made EMI, this type of the EMI generate areas from other electronic circuits. Another same EMI can arise of large current, and so on. The second one, naturally occurring EMI. This type of EMI can arise from many sources, cosmic noise as well as lighting and other atmospheric type of noisy all contribute. And the third one, continuous interface. This type of EMI generally arises from a source such as a circuit that is emitting a continuous signal. And also the last one, which is impulse noise. This type of EMI may be man-made, as the first one, or naturally occurring, second one. Lighting, ASD, and switching system all contribute to impulse noise, which is from of EMI. Next slide. Okay, due to lack of EMI awareness, there is three. Here are some examples. So the examples it can create E-bombs and be very dangerous. The second one, effect on RF, which is the radio signals on the human body tissues and affecting the DNA by breaking the base pair bonds. The third example, some studies suggest that it causes anxiety and depression disease, but they are not confirmed. Next slide. Now I will talk about how to overcome the EMI problems, which is EMC. To applying the electromagnetic compatibility standards, the goal of EMC is is the correct operation in the same electromagnetic environment of different equipment which use electromagnetic phenomena and avoidance of any interface affecting. And also a system said to be electronic magnetic compatible if number one it doesn't case interface with other system. Number two, it is not uh, susceptible to emission from the other system. It doesn't case interface with itself. Uh, Next slide. Okay, now I will pass to Mercy to continue the presentation.
Well, thank you, Mazen. So right now we are going to talk about the tests and standards. First of all, we need to test our products and test the products that are going to be used in the home, so it can be safe and it can meet the standard that we are going to present after this. So for EMC, electromagnetic compatibility, we have two kind of tests, which is for tests for EMI and tests for EMS, electromagnetic interference and electromagnetic susceptibility. For the first two, for EMI, is the RE and CE, which is the radiate emission and conducted emission. For the EMS, it will be RS, which is the radiate susceptibility and conducted susceptibility. We need to do these tests so the product results will meet the product family, and the main standard that we are going to use in case of using the products for home appliances is CICPR 14 and 1, CISPR 14.2, which is the EMI for home appliances, and for and EMS for home appliances. Those are two main standard that is being used to test the home appliances in general. So the EMI, it will be reduced and it will be at the safe standard. So in conclusion, electromagnetic compliance is the design and installation of equipment and systems such that the electromagnetic fields generated by the equipment does not affect other adjacent equipment or system. Achieving EMC compliance is primarily governed by IEC 61000 For any large installation, the production of an EMC management plan will assist in ensuring the compliance during design, installation, and operation, and by applying the correct tests to achieve the desired standard. The products that would be in the residential area would be having a low EMI and more compatible to use with higher safe standards. There is some changes to international EMC standards, PSENIEC 6100068-2020 in residential area locations. The changes that were inspired by user feedback that reflected how electronic and electrical technology is changing quickly to meet the demands of smart energy environment. As the result, the standard has undergone a technical overhaul. The significant change that users should be aware of are that an alternative method for measuring conducted emissions on DC ports has been added, and more stringent limits for DC power ports have been introduced also. That's all from us. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.